Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your car wheel using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, including a sturdy jack, reliable jack stands, and a lug wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is on a perfectly level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Before lifting, slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to adjust. This initial step makes removal much simpler once the car is elevated. Next, carefully use your jack to lift the car until the wheel is completely off the ground, allowing it to spin freely. For paramount safety, always place at least 2 jack stands securely under the vehicle's frame, ensuring the car is stable. Once the car is safely supported, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully take the wheel off the hub. This prepares it for inspection or adjustment. Now, take a moment to inspect the tire for any visible damage or uneven wear, which could indicate other issues. Before reinstallation, thoroughly clean both the wheel hub and the back of the wheel to ensure a flush fit. Carefully place the wheel back onto the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring the wheel is centered and snug against the hub before lowering the vehicle. Finally, lower the vehicle until the tire just barely touches the ground, allowing it to bear some weight. This is the crucial moment to use a torque wrench to tighten each lug nut to your car manufacturer's specific foot-pounds or Newton meters. Always follow the star pattern for even pressure. Once all nuts are properly torqued, fully lower the car, remove the jack and stands, and double-check your work for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.